In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get TikTok ads invoice. If you're managing ad spend and need a clean record for accounting or reimbursement, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go in TikTok Ads Manager and how to export your invoice or transaction statement. Start by opening your browser and heading to the TikTok for Business site at ads.tiktok.com. On the top right, click Login. Sign in with your email and password, and if prompted, complete any verification or two-factor step. Once you're in, click Login again to continue and follow the on-screen progress until you see a confirmation. Select Confirm to finalize access and enter the dashboard. From here, open Ads Manager. If you see an option labeled Sample Ads Manager, make sure you switch into your actual ad account's Ads Manager so that your billing information is accurate. Inside the Ads Manager interface, look along the top navigation bar and find the Tools menu. Click the Tools, then choose Payments. Depending on your region or account type, this section may also appear as Billing or Billing and Payments. Either way, you're in the right place for invoices. When the Payment Center loads, navigate to the Transactions tab. This is where all charges, payments, and credits linked to your ad account are listed. Before exporting, take a moment to adjust filters like the date range, and if you manage multiple accounts, confirm you're viewing the correct ad account. Setting the right time period ensures that your export includes only the items you need for your statement cycle or month-end close. Now click Export, typically found in the top right of the Transactions page. TikTok will prepare a file for download. The exact format you receive can vary by billing setup. Some accounts receive a formal invoice PDF, while others export a detailed transaction statement, often in CSV or PDF. If your organization uses monthly invoicing, you may also see an option to generate invoices by billing period. After the export completes, check your browser's downloads or your designated download folder. Open the file to verify that items like dates, amounts, and currency match your records. If you need a different period or more detail, simply return to the Transactions tab, refine the filters, and export again. For best practices, save the file with a clear name that includes the month and year, and store it in your finance folder so it's easy to find during audits or reporting. That's it. Go to TikTok for Business, log in, open Ads Manager, navigate to Tools, select Payments, open Transactions, and export. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you retrieve your TikTok ads invoice quickly and confidently.